top headlines for the day.
Ace tennis player Sania Mirza's joy knows no bounds ever since her younger sister Anam got engaged. The celebrations have begun in a big way, and going by the Sangeet, we can expect the wedding to be star-studded and glamorous affair. The tennis player showed the world a different side when she performed a dance number on the stage. A picture of elegance and charm, she sure managed to hit some winning shots. Sharing the stage with her were two well-known faces from B-Town. Well, if you're wondering who they were, let's break the suspense. It was none other than bubbly Parineeti Chopra and Dabangg superhero Salman Khan. Sania was a picture of grace in a gold-hued dress, while Parineeti made heads turn with her nude pink lehenga. Sultan Salman maintained his casual look by donning a dark blue suit and trousers with a black shirt. Going by the picture, they truly seem to be having a blast. Do share your comments if you too have fallen for this adorable trio shaking a leg on stage. The Salman Khan-Lulia Vantur love story had created ripples, and even the smallest news about the couple was eagerly lapped up by the fans. This triggered a spate of rumors to the extent that they planned to tie the knot. Just when their public appearances made people believe that they were serious and ready to take the plunge, Lulia returned to Romania, hinting that all was not well. Recently, when Lulia had liked and then unliked a picture of ex-spouse Salman on Instagram, the speculation multiplied manifold. In contrast, there was no reaction from Salman when she shared the news of being awarded the Successful Woman Award for her work as an actress, news anchor and show host in Romania on her Instagram account. Speaking about her experience in India, the Romanian beauty revealed that she took singing lessons and used to sing in Hindi. She felt the lack of privacy as many people were living in one house. As Lulia was close to Salman's mother and sisters, does this hint that she was referring to the Khan's house? What do you think of Lulia's candid confessions about India and Salman? Do let us know. The movie Tubelight, starring the bhai of Bollywood Salman Khan, is set against the backdrop of the Sino-Indian War of 1962. Shot in Manali, opulent set of the film has finally been revealed. Director Kabir Khan from the Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan fame has done a stupendous job in recreating the contemporary era. The set is a stunner which will take us back to the days gone by. The leading lady in the film is Chinese actress Zhu Zhu, who will be playing Salman's love interest in the film. The final look of the leading lady has left everyone enthralled. A recent picture of Zhu Zhu clad in simple white attire and with her head covered was recently posted on Instagram. The picture garnered great response and appreciation from fans. Do take a look at these pictures from Manali and let us know if your heart melts in response. It was a reunion of sorts on the sets of Super Dancer. The versatile and talented actress Vidya Balan recently shot a special episode of Super Dancer as a part of the promotions of her soon-to-be-released film Kahani 2. The episode was shot amidst a lot of fanfare. Judge Shilpa Shetty seemed to be quite excited about meeting her fellow schoolmate Vidya Balan. Coincidentally, both the graceful ladies hail from Chembur, a place which is dear to their hearts despite having moved out. The divas were an epitome of grace and elegance. Vidya Balan was clad in a simple black suit and was at her most elegant best with minimal jewelry. In contrast, Shilpa Shetty exuded style with her chunky earrings and natural smile. Directed by Sujay Ghosh, Kahani 2 is all set to release on 2nd December. Kejo's chat show Coffee with Karan is well into its 5th season amidst a growing fan base. Just like his earlier seasons, this season too outdoes the previous seasons, with the antics getting funnier and the gossip flowing more freely. One of the most awaited episodes to be aired will be when two stunning divas of the industry, fashionista Sonam Kapoor and soon-to-be mom Kareena Kapoor Khan, will grace the show. Will the duo Sonam and Kareena unite to fend off questions from host Karan Johar, or will they be sporting enough to to reveal industry secrets. Will this episode reveal shocking insider stories, unforgettable memories from their journey in Bollywood, their secret crushes, their dynamics with their co-stars, and of course with each other? Bebo, who keeps up to date with each and every insider gossip, and Sonam, who is an epitome of grace with her charming smile and impeccable dressing sense, are a combination everyone would love to see. We wonder if we will get to hear exciting tidbits about the yet-to-be-released Veeredi wedding, where the two ladies share screen space. What secrets do you think will be revealed in this fulfilled episodes? The two successful Khans, Salman and Shah Rukh, had finally buried the hatched and patched up after years of hostility. In fact, their bonhomie was evident when King Khan promoted his film Dilwale in the 9th innings of the show Bigg Boss, where Salman plays host. This season too, the viewers were eagerly waiting for a laughter riot when the duo would unite once more for the promotion of the film Dear Zindagi. However, all this anticipation has now gone in vain, as sources reveal that Shah Rukh will not be revealing the reason. SRK said that as the movie belongs more to Alia Bhatt, it would be unfair to steal the limelight from her. We wonder if Alia Bhatt will be successful in holding her fort and filling the void created by the absence of the Badshah. Do share your opinions on this in the comments below. Despite being released on a Diwali weekend, Shivai, the saga of a simple mountaineer, failed to draw the masses. The revenue of the film seemed to be crawling in contrast to the leaps taken by the lead Ajay Devgan in the film. Going by the figures, the film Shivai has managed to gross 136.50 crores both in the Indian and overseas box office. Seeing the cost that went into the making of the film, Shivai falls into the bracket of an average to below average film. Viewers feel that the duration of the film was too long and the shooting could have been crisper. Did the length of the movie spell doom for it at the box office? Do share your views in the comments below. Amitabh Bhattacharya is one lucky guy. Having written all 5 songs of Dangal, the lyricist sheds lights on his working equation with Mr. Perfectionist Aamir Khan and a host of other things. Talking about the songs, the National Film Award winning lyricist quipped, "The film has 5 songs and all of them are involved in the narration. All the songs are adding up to the story, so they are situational." Speaking about his experience working with Aamir Khan, Amitabh confessed that he was a big fan of the star ever since his childhood. He even revealed that he had bunked his classes to see Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar not once, twice but 5 times. In this respect, he was overwhelmed when he got to work with Aamir. All set for release on 23rd December 2016 under the direction of Nitesh Tiwari, Dangal stars Aamir Khan and Sakshi Tanwar in the lead role. Do you think Dangal's collection will make the box office jingle, or will it be another film best forgotten? Film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil seems to have won over the dil of numerous fans. Going by the recent figures, Kejo's romantic caper Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has grossed 152.60 crores. Starring Ranbir Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Anushka Sharma, for artist, the film is a romantic drama. The revenue does bring the film into the profitable bracket. Made on a 100 crore budget, the film has already recovered its cost and is not sashaying into the profitable league. Despite being boycotted by many due to the presence of Pakistani artist Fawad Khan, the team had the last laugh when the money bells began to jingle. Did Ae Dil Hai Mushkil win your hearts? Do let us know in the comments below. As the year is about to ring to a close, star couple Saif Ali Khan and stunning diva Kareena Kapoor are eagerly waiting for the arrival of their bundle of joy. Fans and the industry insiders are quite eager to know about the gender and name of the baby, but the parents-to-be have decided to keep things under the wrap for a while. But recently, Kareena seems to have broken the suspense to Neha Dhopia on the show No Filter Neha. In response to Neha's questions about how they would choose the name of the baby, given that both Saif and Kareena are quite opposite and would find it difficult to zero in on a name, Kareena replied, "Right now, obviously we haven't locked a thought or anything, but yes, Saif is more of a historian because he reads so much." Hearing this, Neha jokingly suggested that the baby should be named Z.S. Chanel Kapoor Khan. Apparently, the suggestion seems to have struck a chord as the mom-to-be responded saying, "You never know." So, what do you think of this unique name for the soon-to-arrive star kid of Tinseltown? Do share your views.